Greetings everyone, SYGTECH is here. Let's talk about new DJI Nano, which I purchased a couple of weeks ago. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, unboxing video, first impressions, I said that I'm not very okay with this camera. I'm very skeptical because the reviews online are mixed. You're gonna see a lot of videos, a lot of hype going on with this camera. It's the best camera on the market right now, but sadly for me this doesn't work. The camera doesn't work properly, doesn't work. The reason the camera doesn't work for me is the camera overheats. As you can see in the studio, I have lights, which that's normal. I have quite a lot of lights in the studio. The first test that I did is overheating test. After 20 minutes the camera shut down, which is not great for a new camera. But other than that, this camera really performs well, delivers POV shots outside. You can mount this camera pretty much everywhere. Amazing features, 10-bit color. Again, works with DJI products, DJI Osmo Audio. As you can see, I have the mic mini attached and the camera works. There's a lot of positivity around this camera, but clearly there's an issue with the overheating. And this is the main reason. That's why I'm gonna send the camera back and I'm gonna buy something else. So stay tuned for that. And there's some minor problems, issues, which probably is not going to be an issue for you, which for me is, I don't know if it's a nitpicking. The battery on the Vision Dock is not great either. The battery on the Vision Dock just, yeah, it dies very quickly. You have to have a power bank with you all the time. And the low light, again, it's not an issue, but yeah, I like to mention that for you. But other than that, it's fantastic camera. I did videos outside and yeah, I'm super happy with the camera, but the main problem is the overheating. If the camera overheats indoor for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, then yeah, it's an issue for me. So this is a just quick update for you guys. I'm gonna send the camera back and I'm gonna buy something else. Again, I'm not trashing DJI. I have a DJI products. I'm planning to buy DJI products. Action 6 is coming after 5 days, maybe next week. So stay tuned for that. Also, I'm planning to buy the camera as well. Also, I'm planning to buy DJI Action 5 Pro. So I think it's gonna be a great idea to buy both cameras, Action 5 Pro, Action 6. So compare them, make videos. But yeah, this is the plan. So again, not trashing DJI. DJI is amazing, as you know. I'm not the only person who's saying that. I'm not paid to do that. But this is the truth. DJI Nano, for me, is, yeah, it's a pass. So there we have it, guys. Any questions? Leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.